Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I apply to be on the repair shop? You must be aged 18 or older to enter, and applicants need to fill out a form, answering a series of questions about themselves, the broken item in question, and their relationship with the item. You are also encouraged to upload a short video of yourself with the item.
Take our lead.
To apply. Apply online. Applicants must be 18 years of age and over. To apply, please follow the link to our online application below. Fill in the online application form. Email address: repair@ricochet.co.uk. Write: The Repair Shop, Ricochet, Pacific House, 126 Dyke Road, Brighton, BN13TE.
Take our lead.
Susie Fletcher is approaching 60 years old. Although she has not confirmed her age, she has previously mentioned she began her craft in 1975 at the age of 14. That makes her 59 or thereabouts. She is the elder sister of Steve Fletcher, who is 57.
Take our lead.
Good news, the show pays for all of the repairs, making them totally free. Rob Butterfield, head of Factual at the show's production company Ricochet, told the BBC, "We don't charge for repairs. If people wish to make a donation to charity, we're very happy with that, but it's by no means necessary."
Take our lead.
Well, no one does. The repair shop is, in fact, a bit of a misnomer. Because the artifacts are all chosen for their sentimental value to the owners, and the BBC get a whole broadcast TV slot out of it, the repair shop and its experts do not charge people for its services.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.